clean out the fridge day. Okay, so I have some leftover carrots, onions, of course I supply garlic. Okay, I have some leftover chicken, some broccoli, some asparagus spears. What am I going to do with it? Of course, I'm going to cook it up. But let's try it on the flat top and see how it works. We're going to start with some oil. Okay, I think my grill is just about ready. Alright, so let's do some of this garlic up. Alright. Not much. Oh yeah, I can smell it. Okay, so now I'm going to put my onions down. Now, I'm going to do this a little bit different. Okay? Since my chicken is already cooked, I'm going to throw my carrots in. Okay? I'm going to throw a little bit of water on there to steam the effect. That's going to help the process. So while that's cooking, okay, I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce on my chicken. Okay, it's different the way I do it. And I'm also going to put a little bit of ginger. Okay. Triple ginger teriyaki. Very good stuff. I'm going to let that soak down into the meat, let that just drop down. Okay. Nice color. Transparent. Look at that. Perfect. Now, I'm going to do my chicken. Okay. Mix it up so that ginger gets nice and a little bit of sear on it, you know. It's always so tasty with the sear. Okay, now that's doing really well. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add my broccoli and my tips. Asparagus spears I'm going to put right up on top. Okay. Got a little more soy sauce. Mix it up a little bit. Now, put a 2-minute steam. We're done. We are ready. The broccoli is a nice color. Oh yeah. Let's plate this. smells so good. Oh yeah, delicious. There we go, folks. Mike's chicken, broccoli, carrots, onions, garlic, asparagus, done on a flat top grill. Of course, I use some triple ginger sauce and some soy sauce.